Season 5 of This Is Us is arriving earlier than expected. The show's fall premiere date has been moved up to Tuesday, October 27 from 9 to 11 p.m. Eastern Time, PT, NBC announced on Wednesday. The drama was originally set to return in following Election Day in November, alongside the OneChicago franchise. NBC laid out their programming plan for the next several months in August, as broadcast networks rejiggered their fall schedules amid the pandemic. The upcoming season of This Is Us will incorporate the coronavirus into its storyline, creator Dan Fogelman revealed on Twitter earlier this month. "We've decided to attack things head-on." Chicago Med, Chicago Fire and Chicago P.D. will premiere their respective seasons on Wednesday, November 11 starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, PT. The week continues with the Season 22 premiere of Law and Order, SVU on Thursday, November 12, and caps off with the Season 8 launch of The Blacklist on Friday, November 13. Additionally, The Voice will premiere its new season with returning coaches Kelly Clarkson, John Legend, Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani with a two-night launch on Monday, October 19 and Tuesday, October 20. NBC announced Stefani's return in June. Superstore, which is expected to wrap up outgoing star America Ferrera's arc in the Season 6 premiere, has been set for a Thursday, October 22 return.